truck, see if she hooks. Roll into it. Now that's what I'm talking about right there. Ooh, good morning, beautiful. How are you doing today? We are taking the 2019 Camaro ZL1 1Le out for a point of view drive today. Sorry neighbors, it's like 7:30, but we're doing it for the YouTube. Show you guys what it's like if you're looking to purchase one of these, or if you just like Camaros. Sorry neighbors. As she warms up, what is up YouTube? Killicam, welcome to the channel. 2019 Camaro ZL1 1Le track package. Of course, you know that 6-speed manual. This is not an automatic. If you want it automatic, I'm sorry. But rule number 1, you let your car warm up. Rule number 2, you throw rev match on. Rev match with an exhaust is the nastiest thing you can do on this car. Before headers, stay tuned for that. Gotta dodge the daily driver. That would be tragic if you hit your daily driver with the ZL1. That rev match is phenomenal. Point of view video today. I love making these. Hopefully this angle is better. I tried to get it a little bit more dialed in. I lowered my seat as low as we can possibly go so we don't see this visor, hopefully. Good Lord. Literally waking up the whole outskirts of Columbia with this car. Oh, these crackles early in the morning. Oh my God, that is not good. Hopefully no police officers live around here. Red match. Man, this is my dream car, for real. Oh my God. I love having the windows down in these videos. I personally need to hear this exhaust. Everyone else that's sleeping right now does not, but I'm a free alarm clock, whether you like it or not. My neighbor actually told me yesterday, he goes, Cameron, you should have taken the white car. I overslept my alarm. He's like, I wouldn't have overslept that. You're gonna have to wake up regardless. You might as well wake up to a Camaro, you know? Nothing wrong with that. The supercharger whine and the Corsa Extreme Plus exhaust goes hand in hand. I've seen that they put a dampener in the supercharger, a little plate that blocks a lot of the sound. I don't know how much sound you would get if you removed that, but man, some more whine would be nice. I sound like a Karen at a restaurant. Little daily 100 for the boys. Holy crap. That'll wake you up. You don't need coffee or Monster Energy drink on this one today. Holy crap, that's fun. I know on these videos you're not supposed to talk a lot and people just like to listen to nothing and you drive, but not on this channel. I was one of those guys. You got to watch a couple of them just to kind of see what the inside looks like, if it's kind of cool sounding, if you picture yourself in this car. If you're on the fence about buying this car, let me help you. Jump off the fence, go to your nearest bank account, and go to the car lot. You go find yourself a deal before these things get extinct, and that's as simple as that. Yes, you need to buy this car. She grabbed in third. Third's so casual. Just downshifts into third at 86 and the car just eats it. But I hope you guys like this video. If you're newer, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Just make sure you subscribe. It helps the algorithm. Please like, comment any mods you want to see to this thing. Comment any suggestions video-wise. I know I've been dumping a lot of Camaro content lately. The bikes are not going anywhere, but I'm just so in love with this car. It's weird driving your dream car, the car that you've been looking at for a couple years, a few years, and finally getting it is just incredible. Like, I am genuinely happy when I drive this car. None of this is sponsored. Chevy, if you want to sponsor me, great. If not, no problem. Corsa, phenomenal job. Let's listen to some little crackles. Hopefully you can see the heads-up display. I absolutely love watching that. I have it at its highest brightness. Oh my god. Man, this is my dream car. I will never get rid of this car. Quote me. I will sell every other thing I own besides the 2 bikes, which is basically nothing. The clothes off my back would go before this car goes. And the lady actually likes the car. I'm still gonna do her reaction video next, the fiance's reaction video to this thing. I have not had a full hit with it yet, but these hand cooks are taking this thing like a champ, to be honest with you. Oh no, we need some gas. Who would have guessed this thing needs gas? Man, I can't wait to get more wine out of this thing with the air intake and a tune. I want this thing to scream. Not to reference a Hellcat, but those Hellcat screams, those whines, I'm not a brand specific guy. I don't care what you drive. I like to mess with one of my coworkers though, because he loves Mopar, but other than that, I don't care what you drive, but that supercharger whine on a Hellcat, I don't care what brand you like. You cannot lie that that doesn't sound sick. Oh my god. Oh man, waking up and driving the car you've been looking at for years is just incredible. Just keep pushing, keep working towards what you want. I'm no motivational speaker or any life prodigy or anything, but man, just keep going after what you want. Simple as that. When you're a gearhead, you're always chasing more and more horsepower, and what's gonna suck is it's not gonna take very long, but there's gonna become a time where this starts to feel slow to me, as new vehicles always do, and then you have to make it quicker. That scares me, because once I get used to this car, I already know there's no turning back, that I'm already gone. Then you're gonna be into that 700 wheel range, and that's just going to be nasty. I'm new to the Camaro culture, of course, but these forums and these groups are amazing. Very helpful dudes. It's a completely different atmosphere from the Mustangs. Not roasting the Mustangs, like I said, I'm not brand specific, but it's just hilarious. We already all know the memes. All right, second gear. Absolutely wild. And I'm short shifting too, that's the sad part. I just find you get so dialed in on the road that I'm not even looking at the RPM gauge, and I'm not even looking at the heads-up display. That's how dialed in. When this thing pulls, I'm just focused. I'm gonna get buried in this car. No questions asked. I ain't giving this car to nobody. I'm gonna be that old guy still driving this thing to the grocery store. Pretty sure I got dog food in the back of it as we speak. Holy crap, I love this thing. Thank you guys for watching this video. Comment down ghost if you watched till this part of the video right now. Please like and subscribe. It really helps out the algorithm. I'm trying to grow this channel. I'm really trying to push this channel and grow this channel. So if you know anyone that would like this video or likes Camaros, please send it to them. Videos every Wednesday, consistent. I am back on the channel, whether it's Camaro or bikes, whatever. I'm gonna have it. But thank you for watching. See y'all next time. Kill a Camo.